When a young woman enters Cabrini High School, a spark is ignited within her, a drive to lead, to inspire, to break barriers. Cabrini is where her potential becomes unstoppable. From groundbreaking STEM to humanities and arts that capture curiosity, our students are empowered to ask bold questions, seek solutions, and embrace their passions, both in the classroom and beyond. Set along historic Bayou St. John, Cabrini High School combines the beauty of our surroundings with rigorous academics. From creativity on the stage to strength and grit on the field and court, Cabrini girls shine in every arena. Rooted in Catholic values and the fervent legacy of Mother Cabrini to stop at nothing to share the love of Jesus with others, faith is at the heart of everything we do. At Cabrini, our small size is our strength. It builds a sisterhood like no other. Here, every girl belongs, every girl is known, and every girl is cherished. With record-breaking millions in scholarships earned each year, Cabrini repeatedly proves it's the best investment for a young woman in town. Cabrini isn't just preparing its students for college. They're launched into a future full of choices and opportunities, empowered to make their mark and embrace the trailblazing leaders they were born to be. Because for a Cabrini girl, the world is too small for what she intends to do. Cabrini High School, it will change your life. Join us for Open House October 2nd. Register today at CabriniHigh.com.